Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Since this is the month of Halloween and we are in October, I have decided to do a few Halloween themes. I have been wanting to craft for Halloween, but I haven't yet started, but I did make a little few things just to start it off because I have been itching to want to do Halloween crafts. But this is what I made, and these are so cute. So these are like ghosty embellishment, I guess you can say, or a filler, to fill up your loaded bag, loaded envelope, whatever you are creating. These are a fun little piece to make, and they are inexpensive, so I think this is a great way to have these. And the inside is not candy or bath bomb or anything like that. It's just filler. So this is more for like if someone was to receive this, this is just for more of a decoration. So once they receive this item, they can stick it onto their floral arrangement or their desk with the rest of their like rosette wands. So this is a very cute alternative to create like a ghosty wand. But yeah, I will get into what you will need if you want to create this. So all you need, let me just put this aside. All you need is some sewing thread. I use the white. And here is what I use. This is the Halloween hanging ghost, which can be used for outside. They come with 12 pieces. They are 8 by 8, so it's definitely bigger than what I have here. They're only 98 cents and you get 12 pieces, which is a awesome deal. So this is how they look like. They come with these bag ghosties, and then you also get these nice long twist ties, which I won't be using, but I guess it's nice to have. And then I also have a paper straw, and you also need polyester filler or like some type of cotton filler to fill up the ghosty. But this is how the bags look like. So all I did here is just cut a square off of that piece right there. And then this is what I get out of it. And then I just throw the extra away because it's not needed. And I think these are super cute little wands to gift. You can even decorate this up even more. Add another bow here, but yeah, I did add a bow to make it like cute and girly. So these are my handmade bows, which I do sell on my Instagram. So if you're interested, go ahead and check out my Instagram. Oh, and I forgot to mention that you do need your hot glue gun. So make sure that is warmed up so that you can use it. So let's go ahead and get started. So I will take the plastic ghosty bag piece, open that up. I like to use this corner here so that I can put the bow on this side, right? So I'm gonna roll this up so it's a nice round ball, and all I'm gonna do is stuff the ghosty. All right, so we're just gonna push that in, and then you want to flip it over and kind of like poke a hole in the center of the polyester so that you can put some hot glue inside. Squeeze some hot glue, and then we're going to add our stick. So just like that, and then you hold it for a few seconds or minute, so that the stick stays in place, the straw, I mean. So you're gonna hold that in place, make sure it's centered. I think it's not going anywhere. Nope, it's good. And then all I'm gonna do is just push this up, and then, okay, the feeling on this one is a little bit uneven. Let me just play around with it for a little bit. Let's see. And then we're just gonna tie it off with the sewing thread like this, right? I think I might do it like this way. That way you guys can see. I'm gonna turn this. Like that. Then we're gonna grab some string thread. And then we do need to tie it off, so I'm gonna hold this part so I can tie it off from the back, and then that's how the cute little ghosty looks. Okay, then we're just gonna twist it around for a few times, and then on the back we are going to tie it off. I do at least like 3 knots just to make sure that it's tied good, is there on tight, and that it won't come off. So just like that, and then we're just gonna cut this extra piece off just like that. All right, so now I'm gonna play with this a little bit because I like it to look like it's like raising its ghosty arms, just like that. Look at that, how cute is that, right? If you want it to be a boy, you can add a bow here, but I want them to be girls, so I will add a bow there. All right, so I have my bow right here. It's ready to go. I'm just gonna peel this off. I put sticky foam on the back so that it has something to stick onto. And then I'm just going to, let me see. I want to make sure it's in the right area. I do have to add a little bit of hot glue right there so it's not like this and it stays like this. So I will have to add a dab of glue onto the bow so it's not loose. So I'm just gonna dab a little bit of glue, let it cool down so that it doesn't burn the paper. I mean, not paper, I'm gonna blow at it. Ugh, there's hot glue strings. Ah! Okay, I think that will do. And then we're just gonna hold on to that for a few seconds. All right, and then there we have it. Ghosty wand. She is so cute, ready for Halloween. And look at that. Ta-da! I love it so much. I hope you guys enjoy this fun little tutorial, and let me know what you guys think about this. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.